DJ Wado.
Yeah, man, it's your boy. It's DJ Wado. It's the Wado Radio Show. Of course, it's more than music. It's ministry. WadoRadio.com online. This next brother we got with us, man, I don't think he really needs much of an introduction, man. He's like all over the place right now, man. And, you know, I'm still humbled that, you know, this brother takes time out the busy schedule to come chop with us. But I got... Yeah, some call him Crayola, some call him Crazy. You know what I mean? His mama named him Cray, so I'm gonna call him Lecrae. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, man?
Well, I'm chilling, man. How you, brother?
I'm wonderful, man.
You know what I'm saying? Mama named him Cray, I'm gonna call him Cray.
I appreciate it. She does too.
Yes, be clear. It's your boy. It's DJ Wado. It's the Wado Radio Show. It's more than music. It's ministry, man. It's WadoRadio.com on the web. It's 877-559-2330. You want to give us a call, request, shout-outs, prayer requests, any of that good stuff. But right now, man, I got a dude, man. I've been trying to get a hold of him to get this interview going for a little bit of time, man. You know, you guys see him on ESPN covering the NBA. Used to write for the New York Times. He's currently a writer for ESPN, the magazine. He's written for Cleveland Plain Dealer. And he even, you know, used to shoot a little ball in college, you know. He got a little bit of game, man. But I'm here with Chris Broussard, man, in the Wado Radio headquarters, man. I know what it is, man. DJ Wado, of course, the Wado Radio Show is more than music, it's ministry. Hit us online, WadoRadio.com. Call us 877-559-2330. And on Twitter, it's at Wado Radio. And, man, it's always a pleasure to chop with this brother. It's been a little bit since we had him on the show, but he's definitely one of my favorite artists and one of my favorite people in the industry, man. Canton Jones. K-Joe, what's up, brother?
Wado, what's happening, baby?
Man, I'm DJ Wado, of course. This is the Wado Radio Show. I got my homie, my brother, DJ Somatic. What's up, brother?
Wado, my brother. What's up, man? Shout out to the whole Wado Radio Show.
Of course, DJ Wado, the Wado Radio Show. It's more than music. It's ministry, man. And I got a real special guest with me, man. I love this dude because he got his own record label, man. I love people that's business owners, entrepreneurs, all of that, man. I got the homie Flame from Clear Sight Music. Flame, what's good, brother?
What's happening, man? How you feeling out there?
It's your boy DJ Wado, the Wado Radio Show. Of course, it's more than music, it's ministry. Follow us on Twitter, it's at Wado Radio. And, of course, online, WadoRadio.com. Listen, man, it's been a good little while since I had this brother on the show. It's been a lot transpired since his last album. Of course, they released the High Society Project, and he's got a new mixtape coming out with my homie, DJ P-Dog, called The Feature. But I got none other than Sho Baraka with me, man. Sho, what's up, brother?
How are you doing, Mr. Wado?
Man, see, y'all know what it is. It's DJ Wado. It's the Wado Radio Show. It's more than music. It's a ministry. And, man, I'm here in Philadelphia with a good friend of the show. You know, you was like one of the first. You were the first big artist I had on the show, man. Oh yeah, man, you've been a blessing to me, brother. Yeah, you've been a blessing. I'm here with The Truth and his wife. We're actually in Target on Target. My bad.
If you shop here, it's Target.
Yeah, my wife would get on me for that. She loves Target.
I know I hurt you, I don't deserve you. Uncommon, a diamond woman of virtue. I recall the day that I approached you. I was killing them in the first pew. You were standing with your hands up, singing all the praise team anthems. And I can feel the passion.